Hey everyone, as soon as I get my hands on a new device, I have to grab the screwdriver right away. I just want to see what's really under the hood, and whether the mechanics actually deliver on their promises. Today we're taking a deep dive into a product that's been causing quite a stir, the Epicooler. Before I show you the inside of the beast, I need to address one crucial point that immediately put my mind at ease. This product comes with an absolutely solid money-back guarantee. That's extremely important. It means you can order it, test it at home, and if it's not for you, you simply send it back. These days, for me, that's exactly where the real difference lies between a serious brand and the rest, in the quality of the customer service and the reliability of the guarantee. And Epicooler has truly nailed it on that front. On top of that, there's a huge advantage. You're buying directly from the manufacturer here. That means we skip all the expensive middlemen. The result, you save real money and have a direct line to the people who actually build the machine. It's basically direct marketing applied to tech products. And I'm 100% here for it. By the way, if you want to check it out for yourself, I've dropped a direct link in the description, including an exclusive promo deal for my community. Give it a look, it's worth it. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. I opened up the casing to understand how this thing manages to cool so efficiently, without being a huge, complicated setup. What immediately stands out when you look at the internal components is the engineering behind the airflow. We're not dealing with a simple fan that just pushes warm air around. I could observe a pretty sophisticated, multi-stage cooling system. Specifically, inside you'll find a motor that's optimized for near-silent operation. I checked the bearings and the sound dampening around the motor block. It's engineered to run without those annoying vibrations you often get with budget models. That also explains the whisper-quiet operation everyone talks about. After that, I looked at the heat exchange circuit. The system uses advanced evaporative technology paired with a directed airflow. When you remove the back panel, you get access to the tank and filter system. This isn't just a water reservoir, it's an interchangeable module that can significantly lower the temperature of the outgoing air. Technically, the device is calibrated to drop down to 16 degrees in cooling mode, which is genuinely impressive for such a compact and portable format. What's also fascinating when you look at the electronics is the control board. I took a look at the circuits, everything clean, neatly soldered, and it manages energy consumption intelligently. We're talking ultra-low energy consumption compared to a traditional wall-mounted air conditioner. Thanks to the oscillation and the power of the turbine, which I was able to test at full blast with the casing open, the system manages to cover areas of up to around 50 square meters. Another technical point confirmed during the teardown: versatility. I could see that the heating module is integrated into the same airflow circuit. That means the ceramic heating elements are positioned to benefit from that same powerful ventilation, which allows it to heat up to 45 degrees in winter. It's a cleverly packaged all-in-one system, no complicated exhaust hoses to hang out the window. Everything happens internally thanks to this autonomous thermodynamic management. Honestly, after seeing the build quality and the components, you understand why they're so confident in their guarantee. This is material built for longevity, easy to maintain. The filters are accessible in 2 seconds, and most importantly, it gets the job done without any complex installation. So if you're looking for a technically validated solution and want to take advantage of this ingenious system with zero risk, don't forget, there's a special link right down below in the description. It's an exclusive deal you won't find anywhere else. Grab it before stock runs out, especially now that summer is right around the corner. That's a wrap on the technical teardown of the Epicooler's internals. Your favorite tinkerer's seal of approval is officially on it.